Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard enamel pins. First, you'll need to finalize your design, considering the metal lines and color separation. This initial step is crucial for a successful outcome. We'll then move on to creating the mold, which will form the base of your pin. Understanding each stage ensures a high-quality finished product that truly stands out. Let's dive into the details of bringing your pin ideas to life. The journey begins with your design. Ensure your artwork has distinct lines, as these will become the metal boundaries of your pin. Once your design is perfect, it's sent to a manufacturer to create a custom mold. This mold is then used to stamp your chosen metal, typically brass or copper, into the precise shape of your pin. This foundational step sets the stage for all subsequent processes, ensuring accuracy and detail. After the metal base is formed, the magic of color begins. Hard enamel paste is meticulously filled into each recessed area of your pin. This process requires precision to prevent colors from bleeding. The pins are then baked at a high temperature, hardening the enamel. Finally, the surface is polished until it's completely smooth and flush with the raised metal lines, giving hard enamel pins their signature sleek finish. The final stage involves rigorous quality control. Each pin is inspected for imperfections, ensuring every detail meets high standards. Pin backings, like rubber clutches or butterfly clasps, are then securely attached, making your pins ready to wear or sell. Remember, proper care will keep your pins looking great for years. Also, for an effortless home clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.